Hey, today I'll show you how to turn off the antivirus on Windows 11, how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. And actually that's pretty simple. What you have to do, open the settings of Windows 11. If you go to the search bar and search for settings, alright, and once inside the settings, you'll have to find in the menu privacy and security. Let's press on this, and now let's hit Windows security is the first one which is showing, and inside here you'll find that protection areas, virus and threat protection. Let's hit that, and a new menu will pop up. In this menu we can find virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. Let's hit manage settings, and real-time protection it's enabled. If you mark this one off, then hit yes. Now I just disabled my Windows antivirus on Windows 11, but if you do that, you will not have real-time protection. I will not recommend you to do that, and if you want to turn it on as it was, you just have to mark this one, and now I have my antivirus back on. So this is how to disable or enable the antivirus, the Windows antivirus on Windows 11. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a great day.